Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I am going to do another complexion using more of actual naked skin, one of my all-time favorite staple foundation products in my kit and for my photo shoots. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay. Alright, so first step, I am actually going to prime my face with the First Light Becca First Light priming and backlight priming filter. I am just creating a really good base under my, before I actually go in with my primer. So I'm just really going to hydrate the skin, prep it before actually going in with my primer, mixing the two together. Oh, with it being a little bit more winter here in Vegas, I definitely like a little bit of a dewy look, just so my skin looks a little bit more refreshed. There we go. Just seep it into the skin, down the neck, a little bit on the décolletage. There we go. Really blend that in a little bit and just kind of seep it into the skin in certain areas. Next, for color correcting, NYX, my staple product in my kit, and for my eyes, there we go. Actually just forgot to get my mirror. Oops. Oh well. Of course, in the corner of the eyes, the darkest parts, and just blend it out. This stuff lasts quite a while, as you can tell. Finally getting to the end. This really helps to cancel out a little bit of the darkness, dark circles and stuff like that. Perfect, just blend it out. All right, now, Becca's under eye brightener. This is a little bit too light for me, but it really helps to brighten up the eye area a lot more. And it really creates a really good base for the foundation to go into. Perfect. Got my mirror. Always use my fingertips for this one, because the warmth of the fingertips really helps to seep it into the skin more, and you're able to move the product around a lot more easier. And to get the final finish and look I want, I just go in with a brush, blend it out more. Perfect. Next, I'm going in with NYX matte finishing spray, just to kind of create a base and to seep that in. Whew, perfect. Gonna let that soak in, and then we'll go on to foundation. All right, so next for foundation, Naked Skin, about 1 pump of 7.75, and I am also mixing in 8.0. And the reason why I'm doing two colors is because one color takes care of my undertone and the other takes care of my actual color. So I don't want to be way too orange and I don't want to be way too yellow. I just want to have that perfect complexion. Mixing in a little bit of the primer oil from Smashbox, because I like a sheer base. Adding about 2 drops. And I am going to add the Anastasia Glow Liquid Glow in Oyster. Has a little bit more of that peachy pink. Just gonna do a little bit. About that much. Yep, there we go, we're good. Golden. And I am going to mix it with my handy dandy stippling brush. Mix it all together. Perfect. And we are just going to apply. So get it in my eye. Remember, always start from the middle, T-zone area, and blend out. Perfect. This is actually a technique I do for a lot of my looks I've been doing on my makeup page. This is how I really get that dewy look, that dewy base. I am a fan of matte, just when deemed appropriate. Obviously, always go down your neck, just because you want everything to match. Whatever's left over, put everywhere else. Perfect. It's all about blending. Just blend it all the way down. And then switching over to my foundation brush, just to buff it out even more. And this brush is from Bare Minerals from way back in the day. I don't even think they make this brush anymore, to be quite honest. This is what I used to work for them. Perfect. Just keep blending it out. Yeah, it's about 2 minutes just worth of foundation and blending. Up into the hairline there. I love this foundation brush because it gets right in the nooks and crannies. And I did shave. Perfect. There we go. Down the neck. Of course, I'm losing my color. Now for highlight, I am going to go in with Becca Champagne Pop, which is literally my skin tone color right now. I like to wear highlighters that are more my natural skin tone color, just so it looks a little bit more natural. Obviously, just the high points, bring it up to there, literally just a little bit. There we go. Whatever's left on the brush, just kind of dust it elsewhere. Getting a freaking zip. Just blend it out. Oh, damn. See? Actually, you know what? I am going to add just a smidge, right on the jawline. Whatever's left, actually just right around the nose. Just to highlight elsewhere. So of course that's going to give you more of a blended out, highlighted look, obviously. There we go. Perfect. On to the next. Next, I am going in with my bronzer from Inglot in shade number 72 with this big fluffy brush that I just got the other day. So let's just try it out. Oof. Dang, that does the job well and fast. Okay. Perfect. I think a little bit of that goes a long way with this brush. Okay. Of course, I'm just adding it in certain areas just to bring shape to the face. Perfect. On to the next. Next, I'm going in with Becca's Be a Light and medium to deep face. And I am going to just take the all over powder and basically dust that all over. Perfect. And that is about it. And then last but not least, obviously, set with the matte. I set, drench it a little bit, and forget it. And that is the finished final look. And I still need to get a haircut. Alright, and this is the finished look. Obviously, I am wearing this for work, but this is one of a few many ways that I do this, because this is number 6 or 7, I believe. for male complexion. So I hope you guys learned something new, a new tip, a new trick. Obviously this is from here. If you really wanted to amp it up, blush, eyeliner, black eyeshadow just to really intensify and focus the eyes, contouring a little bit, not a lot. I'm not a big fan of heavy contour because I'm not trying to look like a drag queen. I always like to look androgynous when I do my makeup looks, but here is more of a dewy complexion, especially for you people who are on the drier side. This is a great combination. This is probably some products you have stashed away in your closet, your collection, whatever. Yeah, so hope you guys learned something new. So yeah, that's about it. I did shave today and I did exfoliate, so my skin looks really good. Give it a couple days and it'll break out once the hair starts growing back on the beard. So if you guys have any questions, without further ado, that is it. Gotta get ready for work. I'm actually going to be dropping my skin series on my makeup Instagram page and also my professional page as well. And I will do a tutorial on the products I specifically use for that for all my male models. So, as usual, thank you. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you didn't. I really don't care. This is just for you guys to learn the many different ways I do complexion for my professional photo shoots, for my models, and with a couple of the agencies I work with for some of their photo shoots that I do specifically for my portfolio. And I hope one day that they put on their website. So without further ado, my links to my professional website is down below, and also to my makeup Instagram page, to my professional photography page, which is a culmination of me as the photographer, as the makeup artist, and the stylist for a lot of the shoots, and also a little bit of hair. I could do a really mean ponytail, and that is about it when it comes to hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you loved some of the products I used. Maybe you have some of the products I used, and even as a professional makeup artist, these are still products I continue to use, obviously, except for the Be a Light's new. Be a Light is definitely a staple in my kit for sure. So we will slowly get more into doing full-on looks, taking this to the next level, and maybe some eye tutorials as well, which will be on Fridays. Fridays eventually will strictly just be eye tutorials, different eye looks, especially if you have more of my eye shape and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great, what is today? Enjoy your Tuesday. Yes, and happy holidays. Happy belated Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys later.